In this project we can see project setting. Under permission we can set what are the permission are available for this project. Okay, admin permission, browse permission, etc. But there are some other permissions are there which are known as a global permission, which is for completely for your Jira instance. It doesn't matter in which project you are. So how we can check those permission and how we can change the permission? You should be having Jira admin permission. Click on setting button, go to system. Under the security tab you can see the global permission. In this global permission you can see different type of. So I have created only Jira admin permission, Jira admin groups. I can create Jira sysadmin also, which is a high priority, and I can provide some of the all the access to Jira sysadmin and some of the access to Jira admin also. So what they can do, they cannot create a shared objects, the how to browse users. Like I in the comment you can type the users, right? So usernames are coming, so you are selecting other users. So how it's coming? Because you have the Jira user permission. So if Jira software user permission you are having, that's why you are able to do that. Okay, bulk change, who is having the access? Jira admin are having access and Jira software users are having the access. Let me create, if you want browse users, let me test it out for yourself. I will give you a live demo. Okay, Jira SMA role. Okay, Jira software user. Let me add one of the group to this user. Click on edit, cancel, edit user group, Jira users. Okay, join selected group. I have given the permission. Application access, Jira users, and add Jira software users also. Okay, now go to setting, global permission. Under global permission, browse user permission. Okay, I am removing this browse user for the admin. Okay, now who is having the access? Only Jira software users. I am removing Jira software from my account as well. User management, click on user group, Jira software, leave selected group. Only Jira admin and Jira users permission I having, and I don't have a part of any of this group. It doesn't have access. Okay, so let me show you now. Jira test. Okay, any of the ticket. So in this ticket, if you are adding the command, and now if you click on add the rate Jira, none of the users are showing for you. You cannot see, right? Because you don't have browse permission. Let me add now. Is select browse user permission, or just go browse permission. Okay, here let me provide the access. Okay, now I'm having the access. Refresh the page, add command, add Jira. Now you can see it's showing. So like this, we can create the global permission, we can provide the permission, and we can remove the permissions as well. So these are the browse permission, browse archive permission are available for your project. Okay, so these are the permission which are available. Bulk changes and all. Bulk change means you are going to change many tickets at a one time. Okay, please select Jira session permission I want to provide. to any specific group Jira admin only, I can do that. So like this you can do. Thank you for watching.